What's up, guys? It's Hudson Henry. It would mean a lot to me if you guys would follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you guys how to make a pretty cool Instagram story today and the tools I use to create them. I get a lot of questions. People ask me, how do you make your stories? How do you do it? What do you use? I'm going to kind of dive into that right now. I use Final Cut Pro. It's about $300, or you can do a monthly subscription, which is a lot cheaper in my opinion.
So first we're going to open a file, new project. Now, Final Cut will usually have different sizing here for format and resolution. So click Custom down here, and I'm going to reverse this to 1080 and 20, and this will give you sort of that cool vertical Instagram story style. Now, let's say you have a clip like this. It's our artwork that was done for the last time collaboration group. You can crop this to become a vertical picture of your story. Now, it's important when you're doing this video to make it 15 seconds or less, because that's all Instagram will allow per video, at least on your story. So if you're doing a post on your actual Instagram page, it can be longer than 15 seconds. But if you're just doing a story video, let's see. Sure, it's not in my space bar, it's not good. That's all right. Okay, so let's add some text to this. So if you guys are new to Final Cut Pro, you have text, 3D cinematic text. You can also go to transitions. I love Final Cut. Obviously not a master, but I get by on it. So let's say you want to add some text and swipe up. So here's the trick. I notice I get much more interaction on my page when I do a swipe up, but not just with the normal Instagram text, but when I do kind of a custom text. It pops out a bit more, it's a bit different than other stories. I really like this effect, this glow effect. So what we can do is copy that, layer it over if you want this text to come in at the same time. So what I did was a Command-C and Command-V shortcut. So what I can do is I can change this text to swipe up to see you